Good morning. Today we will discuss unit and measurement. The topics are hypothesis, theorem, laws, principle, rules, postulates, classical physics, conservation principle, interactions, unified field theory, measurement of physics, physical quantities, unit of measurement, system of units, SI units, solid angles, parallax method of measurement, and many more. First of all, we will discuss hypothesis, theorem, laws, principle, rules, and postulates. What are these? We often encounter while reading physics and other scientific jargons, hypothesis, laws, and theories, principle, and postulates. These are used. First of all, hypothesis. What is hypothesis? Hypothesis is ideas that can be tested by observation, can be proven incorrect. First of all, we see the physical world, we see the world, and we feel that something is happening around us, and that happening, all our happenings are abided by the rules. All the physical rules are abided by the rules, and if one observe and made some conclusion, let's throw a ball upward, it will, after some time it will calm down. On the basis of that, one can conclude that something is around us that is attracting the ball. This is hypothesis. The first observation and the conclusion, that is hypothesis. It can be proven incorrect. His ideas can be proven incorrect or falsified. That is Avogadro's, for example, Avogadro's hypothesis. Then comes laws. Describes what happens when certain conditions are met. Describes how something happens with proof but cannot explain why something happens. Laws are derived from hypothesis. Set of facts, laws. Facts may be falsified. Out of facts that are true and which are correct in every aspect, in every scenario, that becomes law. True for all. Okay? These laws describe how something happens with proof but cannot explain why something happens. In this case, if a ball is thrown upward, this is the condition which is made by the observer. If we throw, this is the condition, if we throw the ball upward, it will calm down after some time. That the certain condition is met. Okay, this condition, if this condition is met, why? What is this condition? If it thrown upward, then it will calm down. Okay, it describes how something happens, how it happens if we throw, but does not describe why something happens. Okay, with proof. Okay, the laws of gravity, laws of motion, Newton's laws of motion are the examples. Theory, then comes theory. Theories are the set of statements devised to explain facts. Laws describe how something happens but does not describe why something happens. This is the theory that describes why something happens. Okay, it is set of statements devised to explain a group of facts. Okay, that are true. It explains why it is true with proof. Why the facts are true, that are true, which is true for all sets, for all scenarios, that are that becomes laws. Okay, the theory explains why something happens. The theory of relativity that is propounded by Einstein. Okay, is an example. Principle, then comes principles. Rule or mechanism by which a specific scientific phenomenon works. Okay, the principles are nothing but the laws. Laws or principles are interchangeably used. The Archimedes principle is the example one. Postulates, basic structures from which theorems are derived. The theorems, first the facts, these facts are postulates. Okay, set of facts are postulates from which the theorems are derived. These are accepted without proofs. Postulates are accepted without proof. For an example, light propagates at constant speed in vacuum irrespective of the speed of observer. Light propagates in constant speed. See, we know that speed of light is 3 lakh km per second in vacuum. Okay, irrespective of the observer, it is constant. What the speed of the observer may be, the speed of the observer may be whatever the speed of observer, the speed of light is constant. That is c. The light is not dependent on the observer. It is constant. That is, if the observer achieves the speed of light, the observer will become a photon particle. Okay, that means to say that no observer can achieve the speed of light. Okay, this is a postulate. Thank you.